In this video, I show how to edit video on KineMaster. For that, you have to start a new project by clicking the center. Select the aspect ratio. I select 16:9. Create an empty project, and here you can see that. And we want to add media. For that, click the media, then select the video you want to add. I add one video, and select the video in the timeline below. You can see that the options are get in the right panel. You can see that there's the watermark. First I will teach all the options I will teach to you. First of all, we can cut from here. Starting, you can cut the left side. We can just select this and scissor tool, and we can cut from left or trim to right and split at the position, or split and insert another screenshot of the current place. These are 4 options. Now I am going to cut from left this way. You can see that it was cut from there. Okay, then I want to crop it. Then I need to select this. You can see that the option here. Yes, you can see here, and place our finger in the screen and zoom out like this. We can edit this. You can see in the right also. Here I just zoom into the center to avoid the watermark. You can see it is from the first. Now we can try this. And that's way we can crop into the end. Just press this equal sign. Yes, equal sign. You can see that the video is cropped into till the end. You can see that the watermark is gone. Next is clip graphics. We can add this type of. You can see the graphics. Okay, we can see the more type graphics like any titles like that. Any title or any title like this. Okay. That is clip graphics. Then the speed, and speed can be changed into very speed. You can see that this very speed, 3x speed. We can decrease the speed like this. Can decrease the speed. You can see that. Just avoid this. Right. Okay. Then reverse has you can check that the video will be reverse flow, and another is rotate. There are more options like this rotate everything. And then another option is color filter. You can use any kind of color filter using like this. Okay. And then can adjust the color tone like this. You can equalize the sound, and can make vintage. Can not feel. Can see the vintage can be shown here. Okay, this type of vintage. And can extract audio also. Then another. Okay, I think almost finished. Next, and here you can see the more options. The option for capture, when we need to capture any pic in this, we can just click there and capture. And for exporting is show the export option, share option. We can change the size of we want to export, and here is the settings for bulk, master volume, and audio file, like that, video options and editing options. Okay, then another option is for getting the timeline, and the video is floating here. You can place here, and when multiple audio files and timeline are added, we can use this feature. Then the last feature is the left and right. You can jump into the first, beginning and end by clicking here, and by removing that, just press here for removing the screen like this, and you can back into the previous mode by clicking here. Then next we want to I'm going to add an image like this. I want to add this static image, just you can see that the image is from here. We can also add any titles like that. To add a presentation like thing in between these two frames, just click the center, then select any presentation like this or this. You can choose what we like, or can then if we want to add music, then select any music we want to add, plus button to add. You can see that the music added below. Let's play this. Then we want to mute the first video, then select the first video and go to sound settings. Just click here for mute. Okay, that's all. You can see that we can play it. See that added music is added. Then another is the voice. We can add our voice here by pressing the start button and record what we want to say here. This is a tutorial for something like that. I said it is recorded. After record completed, we can press stop. You can see that the recorded audio is added here. We can perform all those things like trim, and you can mute or increase the volume like that. Then another is the layer. You can see that we can add a text layer here. I just add my name here. Like this, we can increase or decrease this volume, and we can change the text font like this. We can cut wherever we want to, or using the trim, or we can just drag this to wherever we want to do this and give some animations like this, and give some out animation, in animations like right, etc. Also we can rotate when I want to rotate. Also there is more options. We can just refer whatever it is, and we can edit this text. We can then we can copy all the things. Just press here and duplicate, and by place the finger for 1 or 2 seconds and move it to where we want to put the text. Also we can see that effect, that is blur effect. Also we can add a layer. I just add my photo here, just copy. Also we can extend this line. Okay, we finished all the stuff. So we can export this by just pressing the share button. We can choose whatever the bitrate we want to do and which quality we have to export, and just to click export. It will export in the time. It depends on your phone's performance. I just cancel this. Yeah. If we are all done, just exit from here. We can see that everything is gone, but in KineMaster we can see that an untitled project is here. We just click here, then we can change the name. I just add this as KineMaster tutorial. We can export from here also, and we can create a copy and delete and play. Also we can an edit button here. Just press here. Everything we edited was shown here. You can see that. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഒരു ക്രാക്ക്ഡ് ഫയൽ, അതായത് ഞാൻ ഡ്രൈവ് ലിങ്ക് ഇതിൽ കൊടുക്കാം. പിന്നെ ക്രാക്ക് യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വാട്ടർമാർക്ക് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല സേവ് ചെയ്യാൻ നേരത്ത്. പിന്നെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് എന്തെങ്കിലും ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട് എന്തെങ്കിലും സജഷൻസ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം.